Got some fans, mate.
Rev it, mate, rev it.
Fuck.
Sounds good.
Sounds better than good.
It's been over 2.5 years since we last had a winner in Western Australia, but guess what? We're back with the VL Walkinshaw. We're going to drop it off to Rob Fraser.
How you doing, mate?
Hey mate, how are
Hello
you?
again. We saw you at the motor show. You came down.
Yeah,
Was it just to see the car, or was it?
it was just to see the
Really?
car. Absolutely.
Does it feel the same as seeing it again now? But now it's in your driveway.
No, it's in the driveway. It's heaps better.
It's better.
Heaps
Oh, mate,
better.
congratulations! It's here.
Thank you. Yeah.
Oh,
It's-
mate, it's
It looks
beautiful.
better now.
Yeah.
In this WA sun.
Yeah.
That's what I haven't really seen inside it, bar the pier through, and
Well, now
Yeah,
it's your first time. Have a look, mate. We can
Absolutely.
check it all out.
yeah.
So your new lucky ride.
The new whip.
Yeah. So, mate, how much you spent on entries? Did you're a member, aren't you?
Yeah, yeah. I remember.
Yeah.
And $60,
$60.
and it was the first. It was my first time of being a member. So yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah.
Jeez.
So I just signed up to be a member. So that might have been a bit of luck.
First time member, $60.
Yep.
Jesus. That's a pretty good one.
I've got to do this.
Yeah, pull it out of gear. Fire it up. How's it feel?
That's killer. Yeah, very cool. Very cool. Yeah, fucking hell. Unbelievable.
Oh, mate.
Oh, that sounds wicked. Absolutely epic.
It does, doesn't it?
Epic.
Oh, give it another rev.
Yeah, very cool. Oh yeah, that's the shit.
The Sean's custom manifold, the old HSV style.
The twin throts.
That's it.
Jeez.
Yeah, it looks good, doesn't it?
Man, that looks killer. Absolutely.
So your first time member, you said you spent $60. Why'd you sign up to be a member?
Oh, when you see stuff like this,
Yeah.
the GTs, everything else, it's just, yeah, you got to do it.
So this one caught your eye. You
Absolutely.
joined
yeah,
up
yeah,
and you
yeah.
won first go.
Oh,
Jeez.
no, I've had a few goes.
Oh, you had a few?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've had a few goes. I think you did like a couple of HKs and stuff like that.
Yeah.
And yeah, and I was like, you just put a bit in and have a go. If you're not in it, you can't win it. So
That's it, mate. Far out.
Yeah.
That's $60 you spent then, hey?
absolutely, by a mile, by a
Oh,
mile.
mate. Well,
Have a look at the size of this thing.
look how low it is.
That
Yeah.
just looks killer. Tough straighter. It looks like a tough straighter.
That's it, mate. That's it. Got the big dish at the back and
Mate.
absolutely dropped it.
Out.
So you Holden guy or just a nice car guy?
Anything that's tough.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. There's no point being one or the other. They're all great.
Yeah. I've
Yep.
said it before, this is just, the way it sits is just perfect. That's how they should be.
Yep.
Just, tucking some room in the back and, yeah.
Yeah,
You want to take it for a spin, mate?
absolutely
Yeah.
I do.
Share
Definitely fat.
Yeah.
The scenic tour.
Oh, beautiful. Western Australia.
Fucking epic, mate. Fucking epic.
Yeah. Loving it?
Fucking crazy.
Amazing, mate.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just, it's a proper wanker car, man. It's the best.
That's it. Turning heads,
Yeah.
snapping necks. Oof.
Yeah.
First drive.
Fuck, that was cool as fuck. Absolutely cool as fuck.
Beautiful. Well done, mate. Congratulations.
Thank you, mate. Appreciate it.
Not a problem.
Thanks to everyone at Tuff Streeters, and yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah,
And I'm fucking wrapped it's here. It's and
Yeah.
now it's real.
it's right here in the
Like
driveway.
I said, even just to sit in it, it's fucking crazy.